Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the final chapter of the CIS 73 course. In this excellent little video, we're going to go over your final work. We're going to go over the top dogs of the final assignment, the MVPs, if you will, the ones who did well. Okay, let's take a look at them. In this assignment, we did something called, what was the name of the assignment? Create an Adobe masterpiece. So let me pull this up here. Create an Adobe masterpiece. Now I'm just gonna slideshow this sucker and take a look at what we got here. Wow. I loved this one. Wow, loved this one too. Wow, loved it. It was awesome. Fantastic. Very creative. Blew my mind. So those are my opinions. But those are just my opinions. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So this one is by Christine. She's a horse lover, and an eagle lover, and a wolf lover. I think this is very nitty, gritty, and dirty, and textury, and I love everything about it. This is why they made Photoshop. Okay, fantastic job, Christine. And what do we have here? This was Tristan's. Tristan created a website, Skin, and it looks terrific. I think it looks very professional. I would pay somebody to build a website like that. Well, actually, I'd build my own website, but if I didn't know how to build a web, you know what I mean. It looks great. Good job, Tristan. Great layout. Love the little signature thing. Very clean. Very pro. Okay, what's love got to do? Got to do. This one was cool. Very simple, elegant, and I thought this was clean and classic. By Stephanie. Good job, Stephanie. Brenna did a great job at this Reading Health Expo flyer or poster. Take note that she selected a font and used it here, 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 and here. Good rule of thumb is don't use a million fonts. Now these logos don't count because they're their logos, but keep in mind when you design, you want to pick a font and a color scheme. She's going with this orange, which they got from there, and it looks great. If you use a million different fonts, or even 10 fonts, or even 6 fonts, or even 5 fonts, it's going to look very amateur. So I would go to this expo. This looks clean, classic. Now whoever's putting this on looks like they know what they're doing. This is very creative. Dylan did a good job on this one. I could tell he did, there's a lot of layers in here. Very cool. Love it. Again, this is why Photoshop was made, is to create creative things like this. So, all kinds of cool stuff happening in this one. Good job, Dylan. Dewey kind of, boom, exploded my mind on this one. And when I saw it, I was like, I mean, this is colorful, contrasted with grayscale. It's got great contrast. It's got I don't know, it's just pretty kick-ass, if you will. So, all kinds of tricks in here. This whole right side here looks great. She's got her logo up here, and she used this great background so that her logo doesn't get lost in the photo. Very smart way to go about this. So Dewey, great job. All right, so you all did very well. If you're not in this little slideshow, it's not because I don't like you. It's just these other people had better projects than you. Ooh, that hurts, but it's true. Great job to these people. And if you haven't turned your assignment in yet, you better get it in today. Good job, guys. Way to kill it. Well, I'm very proud of you. I can tell you guys learned a lot, and I'd like to thank me for that. Just kidding. I'd like to thank you guys for that. You did great. All right, so we're going to move on to a demonstration of some sort. All right, here we go. Let's do our cool outro. 1, 2, 3, kick.